Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm going to make you adult instant cream coffee with rum. We need sugar, we need water, we need the coffee, and we need the rum. And we need a beater. If you have hand beater, it's fine. You can do it. We're gonna do 1 tablespoon coffee, 1 tablespoon sugar, and 1 tablespoon of water. There you go. We're gonna beat this now together in a mixer. There you go. It didn't even took a minute. Here it is, the cream. Look how delicious it will be. So you have to put this. You can use this now in the morning. You can make with hot milk, or you can have a cold milk. Afternoons, you can put just like a cold, nice milk. This is a warm milk now, hot milk that we warmed it. We're gonna put a little bit rum in it. You can put as you please, half a spoon, half a teaspoon, or 1 spoon, however you like to enjoy it. We'll put it about 3/4 to 1 tablespoon, and we put delicious cream on it. There you go. You can put as much as you love. There you go. You mix it a little bit and you will enjoy it just like this. Let's see how delicious it is. You should really try it. It's very delicious. Well, I hope you will like it. If you're happy with it, please subscribe my channel and enjoy your morning coffee. Thank you very much again. Bye-bye.